All right, I'm here with the Synergy 516. We're just gonna take it on a quick evening flight. It's about 25 degrees out here. I'm gonna see how it does with the camera and how the camera mount holds up on the helicopter. Take off from the snowboard. So we are in normal flight mode. I'm gonna go right to experienced. I liked it there. So let's turn our hold off. All right, here we go. This helicopter is so smooth. Oh man, I just love the way this thing flies. So we're in normal. We're gonna go to stunt 1. And then we're gonna go to stunt 2. So almost no change because we just went from 75 to 80. So let's see if we can get a little GPS data here. The ground, so it's really easy to lose perception of the helicopter. Definitely different than normal. So I'm trying to be extra careful here. Oh man, what a, oh man, what a great heli. Here is black and white right now. It's like I have no contrast. So I don't want to take any chances of losing perception of it. Swinging it too low to the ground or something. Perception of it. Swinging it too low to the ground or something. I love the way it flies. So just get it a little closer to me before I... Wow. Look at that thing, just as smooth as can be. Now that's stunt 1. I try to invert it, but I don't love it with the camera in the position it's in. But we'll give it a shot. Oh, wow. Wow. I mean, I didn't lose any altitude at all. So that was the first time I've inverted this helicopter, and I kept it glued right in that one spot. Try it one more time here. Wow. I'm happy with it, yeah. I mean, that was robotic. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so that thing's got a camera hanging off the side of it, and it is still just staying nailed. Ah, very confident. Very confident flying this helicopter. I don't like flying the tail whips and getting the thing going so fast today because, man, everything out here is black and white. All right, it's been a really good flight. Going back to normal mode. I'm gonna put it down. Oh man, I love flying this helicopter more and more every time I fly it. I try to get it on this board. Well, there it is. I wouldn't call it a maiden flight because, like I said, I'm not really comfortable flying with nothing but snow and white clouds, and I really felt like I was struggling to keep perception of it. Plus, I'm just a little nervous with this helicopter. Just want to get a little more practice in before I push it. And but man, it flew terrific. I inverted it for the first time, and this is the second time. I could say that the check flight, the first check flight that I hovered the helicopter was the best I've ever had a check flight go. This was the first time I inverted this helicopter and flew it upside down, and once again, I think that was the best I've ever had happen. I usually get up a little higher, I flip it over, and I find that it either jumps, I either bring it up or I bring it down. But I really found with this helicopter, I was able to invert it out there, you know, about 15-20 feet off the ground, and didn't lose or gain anything. It was I was pretty good with the cyclic and with the flight controller, or with the throttle and collective and the flight controller. I didn't lose any altitude. I mean, I was almost hovering it upside down there at the one point. I held it upside down for a second, and I probably could have done a lot more. I'm sure I could have done a lot more. Just like I said, right now everything out here is black and white, and I just didn't want to take any chances. But man, what a great flying helicopter. I was super happy with test flight 1, and this little check flight 2, man, I think went even better. I can't wait to see the GPS data, although I have to say that I probably could get this helicopter going at least 40% faster. I was cutting the dips way short because I just didn't want to get down here too close to the ground and lose perception of the helicopter. I'm gonna fly it with the other canopy next time, so the colors contrast a little better with everything that I'm looking at. But I'll tell you, I'm super happy with it. I couldn't be happier.